Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today is day 20. I know the last video I made I said day 18. I meant to say 19, but anyways, today's 20 of the small account challenge, and today we have a green day. And I'm doing well, feeling well, disciplined. It was a little bit shaky today, but I still came up on top. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So if you guys made some money today, put it in the comment section. If you lost some money, put it in the comment section. And if you see something in my recap that I could have done better, put it in the comment section, guys. We're going to keep it quick. I only took 2 trades today. The main one was on FREY. I seen that on my chat room. Looked at it. It looked perfect. Took the trade. Made some money. Walked away. Had a nice little rest, woke up. I don't know if you can see it in my face. Woke up and I took a quick trade on AMC and I made like $10. But yeah, guys, also if you want to see the strategy that I use almost each and every day, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can check that out as well. So we're gonna chop it up real quick. So follow me, please. Come on, follow. We're gonna chop it up. Let me turn that down before we continue. I always forget to turn this off. But anyways, as you can see, we're looking at Snap. I was looking to take a trade on Snap, but nothing really looked clear to me, so I didn't take the trade. So first trade I took was on FREY. Sorry. I marked up the chart a little bit. So let's clear this up a little bit so you guys can see clearly. All right, hopefully that's clear as day for you guys. All right, so the first trade I took was in this area. The first 30 minutes of the market opening, I took that trade. I am not gonna lie, I was very frustrated. And that's why I said my discipline today was a little bit shaky. I was frustrated and I should have cut the loss, but there was I was down. So don't get me wrong, I was down and eventually it turned around in my favor. I was very annoyed. My kids was in the room and they were making so much noise and I could not concentrate. And I was down for a minute and I should have cut the loss and then clear my mind and get back in if I see a actual pattern. But I didn't. I held it and I went along with the ride. So the first trade I took on this was around... Give me 1 second. Let me pull up my log. The first trade I took, I bought 500 shares at 931. So 931 around here. Let's see. 931 was here. So I was looking for the continuation of the pre-market high. I think this was pre-market high. Let me just double check. Yeah, pre-market high. I was looking for the pre-market high to break and continue to go higher, but it didn't. It actually came back down. So I went in with 500 share at 1449. So I got it at the top, at the top, anticipating the break of 1450, which we hit a resistance, whole dollar, half dollar. This is a solid psychological resistant, and it could be support as well. But in my case, it was resistant. It tapped, it went to a high of, tapped 50, and then it rolled over. Let me zoom in a little bit more so it could be a little bit more clear. It tapped 50 and then it rolled over and it came down, and where it came down, I looked at it and I was like, okay, this looked like it wants to hold up. And then finally it came down flush again, bounce, and then it came up again. And this is kind of like confirmation of giving me like signs of there's still strength in it, even though it came down a good bit on 2 candles. A 2 5-minute candle, it was red, and then it was high volume. It was still looking pretty good to me, so I held it. And this is during the time when my kids was making all this noise and I could not concentrate. So I was up. I jumped in with 500 shares, came down. I was down like 100 and change. I think I was like 100 to 200, and then finally we got a pop, and I made another entry around, where was it? What time? It was 9:44. I made another entry. 9:44 around here, and I see the pop, and I got in again with another 500 shares to potentially go back and retest the 1450 area, my previous entry, right? See that flow of momentum came, hit the price range of 1440, fail, and then we started seeing some consolidation. Once I seen this consolidation, I had good conviction that this was gonna go in my favor. So when that happened, I'm like, okay, let's see how that play out. And it was still going up and down, and I was a little bit frustrated still because I should have gotten out of the trade when I was down a certain amount, and I didn't. But I held it, and then I seen the consolidation, which give me some confidence in the fact that we had a low here, and then we started to make higher lows. So when you're seeing higher lows, that's just giving you a idea that price wants to go higher. So it started going, and we was having a hard time breaking this 1433, 1434, and what I had in mind, once this snap over 1433 and 1434, that we was going to get a rip. And as you can see, we ripped through and it never came back, right? So around 1014, this one, 1014, right here, I sold how much? I think I sold 75% of my position, and I left the rest to do what it wanted to do, right? And I also took the rest out at 1459. No, was it 4? No, that was a price that I got out at 1459. I sold the rest of my position. So the 75% of my position I sold at 1455, around here, and then the rest I sold at 59. So up here, the break up here. I was going to add, but I was like, you know what? I'm frustrated. I'm not going to stay in this market, even though it showed the opportunity to go higher, and it did. I was like, I'm not gonna take the chance. Let me just get out, secure my profit, and call it a day. I'm not gonna risk being frustrated and make bad decision when I was frustrated. So I got off the computer and took my regular daily nap. I woke up and I looked at AMC. I went to AMC, and this was the time frame of, I got in at, I think it was 259. No, it was 253, sorry. So 253, I got in at 887. So it was 887, around here, 887, and I was looking for a pop to go higher, but it was kind of struggling. And the reason why it's struggling is because we had, I forgot what news it was. I think it was CPI. I don't even remember, but I don't know if it was good or bad, because by the time that news came out, I was already sleeping, so I didn't know what was going on. I just seen that AMC made a big move down, and then it's starting to rebound. So I tried to get in on that bounce to continue go up, for like a continuation to go higher, and it was having a hard time going higher. So I sold my position at 888 for a $10 profit, and it came back down, and it's still coming back down. So I made the right decision to sell my position and get out while I can. So overall, I made a profit of, 155. That's before commission. After commission, that's probably 140, 130, just guesstimate. So yeah, guys, today was a good day. I stepped up with my size, and I was a little bit frustrated. And I was a little bit upset because I was frustrated, and that's why I sold my position in the first trade so quickly, because I was not trying to stay in that trade frustrated with not a clear mind to make the right decision. So I just got out and called it a day. But if you guys made some money, put in the comment section. If you guys didn't make any money, put in the comment section. And if you see anything that I could do better, put in the comment section. And also, if you want to join the Key Life gang, smash that subscribe button. Join me, watch me trade each and every day, or show you my recap of trying to grow this small account. It's not that easy, and I'm trying to get my discipline in check. So I need you guys support. I need your support. So smash that like button. If you do, it'll do just well for me. Give me more motivation to continue to create content like this for people that have a small account or might have some. If you feeling like, oh, I can't grow a small account, we can do this together. You can see my journey. You know, you win some, you lose some. It's all about consistency and risk management. All right, so do all that YouTube stuff. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. You know, leave a comment for your boy. It's Key Life Trading. You already know. Peace.